Hello, my name is Katie, co-founder of Unfold, and welcome to this 10-minute tune-up. Today we're going to take a little bit of time to reflect not only on our intentions for the new year, but also on something that went really well last year. When the new year comes around, there's always so much focus on what your intentions are, what your resolutions are, things that you want to change about yourself, how you want to grow, how you want to evolve, which is great. It's wonderful to think about those things. But sometimes it can get a little bit overwhelming, and I think that a wonderful way to strengthen the foundation of your mindset when you're moving towards a new intention and putting one foot in front of the other, especially if it's something hard or challenging, is to solidify a sense of strength and just your own ability to do hard things. So this meditation is going to include a little bit of movement, a little bit of breath work, and then we're going to contemplate something that you're really proud of that happened last year. And we'll use that as our foundation to move through this year and to step into that intention and to align yourself with some of your bigger resolutions with a lot of strength and confidence. All right. So let's begin by taking a seat, find a tall spine. Your eyes can be open or closed, but just take a moment and pause. This is an intentional pause in your day to support yourself, to support your well-being, to nourish your mind and your heart. And then we're going to begin with some easy shoulder rolls. You can start to take some deep breaths here. Move your body with the intention of letting go of stress. Pause your shoulder rolls. Let's do a few circles with the neck. Do 3 or 4 in one direction. And then do 3 or 4 in the other direction. Okay, pause with your head back in the center. Let's turn the head all the way to the right and then all the way to the left. Do this a couple more times. You can close your eyes if you want. Keep breathing. Okay, then pause here. Let's bring the hands right behind the head for some easy cow-cat breath. Inhale, lean back, look up a little bit, extend your spine, lift your chin. And as you exhale, flex your spine, round forward, chin to chest. And we'll do this a few more times. Two more. Good. Pause in the center. Let's release the hands from the head. Make a gentle fist. Roll out your wrists. Stretch your arms straight up. Keep rolling the wrists. Reach your arms out to the side. Keep rolling your wrists. Good. All right. Take an easy twist to your right. Gaze over that back shoulder. And come on back to center. Take an easy twist to your left. Good. Inhale to center. One more big stretch up. This time interlace the fingers. Push the palms up high so you get a little stretch for your wrists. And as you exhale, let it go. All right, close your eyes. Find that tall spine. Feet are both grounded on the floor. Hands are relaxed in the lap or on the table or desk out in front of you. Relax your forehead, the space between the eyes. Relax your jaw. Relax your belly a little bit and find your breath. And start to bring your awareness to this idea of the new year. And you might think about an intention that you have for the new year, a resolution, a sankalpa, something that you'd like to cultivate. And if something comes to mind, great. And if you're not quite sure, a really beautiful New Year's intention is simply to cultivate a sense of peace. So I am at peace is a lovely statement to work with, a lovely intention to focus on. And then from here, take a moment and recognize that any time we're stepping towards something, we need to have a strong, steady foundation. A sense of strength and confidence, stability is required in order to put one foot in front of the other, challenge ourselves. So to find that inner strength and inner confidence, contemplate last year. And just think about something that went well, something that you're proud of. And it doesn't need to be really big. Maybe you tried a new recipe. Maybe you met a new friend. Maybe you overcame a challenge at work that you're proud of. Maybe you learned a new skill. Or maybe it is something bigger. Maybe something happened last year that created a big shift in your life in some capacity. Maybe you healed from an injury or opened one door, closed another. Think of something that happened last year that you're proud of. And allow your mind to settle in and steep in that pride. You are strong and capable and courageous, and this event, this thing that went well for you, this thing that you're proud of, is proof of that. Just take a few more moments here, being easy and gentle with yourself and allowing your mind to rest in that inner strength. Okay, now from this place of strength and stability and confidence and courage, know that you're capable to do the things you need to do this year that support your intention. And just taking the time out that you did today to do this class is one of them. Taking the time to pause, to slow down, to nourish yourself. You might imagine your intention or your sankalpa in action. You might imagine the way that you feel once you've fully realized that inner potential. Practice visualizing your intention unfolding this year. And then if you'd like, place one hand on your heart. Give yourself that tender, loving touch, that reassurance. Start to notice the feeling of your breath again. Move your attention outward. Notice the feeling of your feet grounded. Visualize the space around you. And when you're ready, drop your chin towards your chest. Slowly blink your eyes open and lift your gaze. Good. That concludes our 10-minute tune-up today. Thanks for taking 10 minutes to slow down, to pause, to nourish your well-being. Happy New Year, and we wish you all the best.